Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to OnePunch Algo live trading. Today, I will be discussing or I will be showcasing in this video pre-market movers that moved in the morning after the market opened or even yesterday night post-market and highest gapper uppers, and we will be discussing when we should be selling these and making profit or shorting and making profit. So there are actually six stocks in my pre-market moving scanner, and I will be checking their resistance levels, support levels, share float and shares outstanding, and the volume, pre-market volume, and any kind of news. Alright, guys, so let's see. BNGO. First thing I'm gonna check here is the share float and the outstanding shares. It seems they have more than 80 million outstanding shares and the float. Pre-market, when it opens today at 4 o'clock, it came around 54 cents and it moved 23% after that. I'm going to check this data using 50-minute candlestick chart intervals. So when using candlestick charts, the first selling point BNGO was indicated at 4:30, and then there's a soft sell at 6:15. Since then it is going down. Just in case, let's check if they have any news today. July 9, they do have a couple of news. July 9th, yesterday at 6:30 p.m. That's a press release from Global Newswire. It says Bio Genomics solidifies its entry into solid tumor analysis. Alright, so it does have some news. Even yesterday's pre-market it went up and then straight went down. So let's see What are the resistance for BNGA, BNGO? Here's the resistance level at 56.96 cents. There's another one at 63 cents. Support. I see some support at 51 cents. Actually 54. And then 48. Yep. Let's check year to date. $1.23. There's a support at that level. And in between that there's one at 85. So for me, after looking at the support levels, even with the news, I would like to see this pass 63 cents first, and then there isn't any support level from 63 to 85. So if it passed that level, there's a 30% profit chance, and after that there's no support level until $1.23. So there's a possibility, but it has to move up. Right now it's going down. So BNGO is going to go down until I see couple of yellow bars, candlestick bars in 5 minute chart. Under 15 minutes, it's the same. It's going down, and it is trading below 56 resistance point. So let's check PSV. PSV here, the market opened at 7 o'clock. It traded at 7 o'clock in the morning and already went 28% after the market open. So the first sell point is at 7:15. So this is where the selling indicator popped up. Shares, outstanding shares, they have 31 million outstanding shares and 8 million share float, so that's not bad. 1 month high is at 92 cents and 1 month low at 47 cents. So it reached $1.13 today, so it broke the 1 month high. So let's see if they have any news. No news in bar chart. Let's see. With Google. Past hour. No, nothing there. Let's make it 5. So Neo is moving about 7. So Neo and Oxygen. It's fine. Let's have it under 10. So this stock doesn't have any news, so for bag holders holding this stock for the last few days, you could sell at this point. That's the selling indicator. I'm not going to make resistance levels and support levels for this because I don't see any news yet, and I don't think this will move up in the pre-market since the indication was given. Alright, so let's check WIMI. Here's the first selling point for today pre-market for WIMI. Let's check if they have any kind of news. July 10th, 4:30 a.m. they do have some news from Access Wire. Even yesterday morning they had. So news keep on coming every day, it seems. For the new viewers, well, thank you for visiting the channel. To give you guys an overview of what I'm doing, I have created this plugin called OnePunch Algo. I developed this plugin for more than 2 years and tested it for more than 1 year myself and with 13 third-party people. So finally, I'm trying to launch the plugin. So what this plugin does, it gives you these are the basic indicators. So one, I call it hard buy. When you see first green outline white candle formation after a red outline white candle, it is called a hard buy or a hard buy indicator. So for the hard sell, first red outline yellow candle formation after a green outline yellow candle, then that's called a hard sell. So my videos, pre-market videos, I'm checking when is the correct time to sell and when is the correct time to buy and day trade. Using a software like this, you can easily short stock for the maximum profit, and you can also sell if you're holding this stock for many days or months. Alright, going back to WMI. While I'm reading this, if you guys want to share any comments about you guys or where you guys from, feel free to use the chat. Wow, 5G holographic communication. Jesus. Oh my god. Hmm. I like the concept. But let's see if this is a good chance to buy. But right now I see the stock is going down. So this is the selling point at 715. Let me mark it. $7.53. Alright. I'm gonna mark the resistance levels and support levels. First I like to check year to date. Then I like to check 1 year. If that doesn't work, so I don't see any data before April, so maybe this is a new IPO. Today is the only day that is, oh, the week, because I'm checking the week here, that this is stocks moved up. So there's an unknown resistance level acting right now. So the highest it went is $6. Right now it's trading at 681. So if you guys trying to hold the stocks, I would be careful. 30 minutes says it is a sell right now. So how is your day going? Well, where are you guys from? PSV. PSV, let's see. That's the selling point. I will mark it with the call out. So that's, yeah, AVIX. So anyone from New York? Because I see there is a hurricane or a tropical storm moving that way. Probably will turn into a hurricane. It's gonna go right through New York. Alright, so let's see. PSB, no news. I think I already checked this one, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna mark it as red. These two I might check again. SPAQ. It went up yesterday at 11:45. I think this is a motor company. Is it? No, this is a financial company. Let me see what news they had. Kate, are you using this plugin, OnePunch Algo yet, or this is actually free for 60 days? So you guys can use it if you want. Alright, so under 15 minutes, I see a couple of momentum buying going on. So here's the first sell, and then here's the momentum buy indication. And then here's the next sell. Then again after hours momentum buy indication, and after hours selling indication. Right now for today I don't see any momentum buying indication for 15 minutes. So let's see if 5 minutes is working. Even for 5 minutes there isn't any momentum buying indication with OnePunch Algo. So seems like if you are holding this stock, if it goes below 1666, wait for the next candlestick formation for 15, and then if it is a red, maybe that's the chance for you guys to sell. Let's see some support level for the stock. Wow, support is actually at bottom. The resistance, there is no resistance. That's the other concerning part. Now I think this is like the highest for the 52 weeks, so the company is going up. That's good. It has gone up 56% since they probably start. Yeah, I'm not going to trade this one, but let's see if they have shortable stocks for SPAQ. So SPAQ, right now I'm checking if I can short it. SPAQ. Yeah, so with 2.05% fees, I can short this stock. Let me mark the shorting areas for me. If it goes below that, that's a good shorting time. It's like the support. Well, 10%. Let's see. ANIX started to pop up. It says it went 31% in the pre-market. Pre-market open with a boom for this stock. It started at $3.05 and then went to a high of $4.30 and then started to move down. Doesn't look good. There's a big red candlestick since 8. Let's see. It's only 33 seconds for the next candlestick formation for the 50 minutes. If it goes down, or if it open red, then this should be a dead stock. But let's see if they have any news. Today, still 8 o'clock, 8:15. I don't see any significant stocks to buy. Swing trade or day trade or short. There's a couple of news. Intention to grant notice. Same thing happened for a stock. I can't remember the name of that stock. The European Patent Office, they gave an intention to grant notice. And the stock went up in the morning, but after it opened, it kept on going down. So if you're holding, good chance to sell. Well, there's nothing to like. If you held for that, there's nothing to make here because it's only like 7% up. Alright, SPAQ is still in the list. Any stocks you guys want me to check with OnePunch Algo, and then also mark the resistance levels or any news, let me know. Department stores, Macy's. Let's see, spy. What's the deal today? So if you guys are, if anyone doing option trading, let me know. Anyone listening who is doing option trading? I love to trade SPY for option trading with 2 weeks interval. Whenever it hit this top position, which is around 320, 370, I buy puts, and when it hit 300s, I buy calls. But I have a goal, whatever I buy from options, if it reach 30% profit, then I sell. I don't wait for like 100% or 200% or 1000%, because we never know what will happen to the market. Let's go back to the scanners. BOXL. BOXL. What's going on there? Slight changes. No news. NIO 50-minute chart shows a sell point here. So it's slowly turning the curve. Could go down. Not sure. I'm not sure about the motor industry in electric cars, because Tesla is keep on going up. Almost 1,400. I can't even buy options for Tesla because I'm afraid, because the option premiums are high, like $50. What's going on with Disney? 16, yeah, this is the point to buy puts. I'm gonna buy some puts today for Disney with 2 months interval, sorry, 2 weeks interval, because I see the 220 moving average is higher up than the 100 moving average, so this indicates it's going high. Time to a drop. Any stocks for you guys want to check? WIMI. I see a green candle formation. Let's see 5 minutes. There is two green candles under 5 minutes. So if this close yellow, then a momentum forming. Just want to see if I put if they had any news that is good. Oh yeah. The holographic. What are the stocks you guys are holding right now? Any penny stocks? So WIMI trying to hit a new high today, so this could be the stock to swing trade today. There's no resistance upwards, but if we talk about today, resistance is at 756. If it breaks, then this I would jump in. So I'm waiting for it to break the previous high for today. So if it breaks 753, then it's a good chance to enter. But right now you see it hit 753, the resistance it had for the day, and then now it's slowly turning downwards. So wait for it. 15-minute chart, fine too. So it needs to break that resistance at 758 for entry. I think I didn't see there. I'm gonna put an order of 760. Yeah, there. Alright, put a small order. Just wanna see what's going to happen. I do have a stop loss at 753. So I got in at 760. If it goes below 763, the stop loss will hit. But as this go up, I will keep add. Alright, 778. 1 minute seems fine. Uh, 1 minute, 2 red candlestick formed. I'm gonna just in case put or sell order at 781. I'll modify it for 775. That's alright. 775 order quit. So a small profit there. Yeah, the 5 minute chart started to give actually 15 minutes. Was it 5? Yeah, that's 5. It started to give me some hesitation there. It didn't break out fast. So I sold at 775. I got in at 760, so I have 15 cents. Only got 1000 shares there, so the profit is 150. Not bad for like 2-3 minutes. My goal is to make $1,000 a day. I kind of feel like I want to short it right now. Let's see, 5 minutes. Just trying to break in at that point. I'm gonna put another buy order at 754, and then 750 stop loss. Filled. Order filled. Yeah, the trend is reversing. 760, I'm gonna sell. Yep, sold 6 cents. Oh man, it went up. Never mind. That's fine. $73. It's not breaking out. Right, I will jump in at 772. Well, I could wait until 8, until 9, and see if Robinhooders are selling these stocks, and then after that, jump in. So let's mark some resistance levels that happen around $6. Yeah, this is where 676. I'm going to wait until 9 to see what's going to happen. So the new viewers, welcome to the channel. OnePunch Algo channel actually is a plugin that gives you sell and buy and sell indications. The plugin website is onepunchalgo.com. Fix, are you still here? Have you had a chance to check the 3% per week strategy that I created? Yesterday night I did put it in my trailer in the YouTube channel, and check it. It shows how you can make 365% in your first year if you make up your mind to make 3% every week. Anyone watching right now is new to the channel? Want to say hi? Well, today I still can't see a breaking out stock in the pre-market. Maybe after 9:30 we could find some. WIMI, I kind of feel like people will jump in with the news, even though it's not a significant news. There's a chance. But isn't this the same news yesterday? Sheffield to 6:30? No. Previous Wednesday. Now they have news every other day. Actually, the entire week they had news. Wow. Let's see some quick analysis. Right, so there's the hard buy at 352 on July 6th. Just another one. So when did it cross 20 moving average for this pop-up? So it crossed on July 9th. So it crossed yesterday at 9:55. Since then, how much it went? Wow. Yeah, so I have been buying these stocks that went down 20-day moving average and staying down 20-day moving average, and the top moving average has to be 100. So if the 100 moving average is about 20-day moving average, that's kind of a buy signal as well. So I have been collecting a couple of stocks using my screener. So AYRO, opportunity for another breakout. LGX, yes, could find another 100% breakout for ELGX. FUV, looking for a 25% breakout. XSPA could make 30% here as well. So just not crazy, just 1,000 stocks at a time. I want to capture these breakout points. And the thing is, I create the resistance levels, and then I make a limit order for 90 days with the top resistance. So if it hits more than 50 or 60, I will automatically take the profit at 4 o'clock if I'm sleeping. BNGO hit the support level here. Let's see and wait until 9 a.m. to see what's happening. Oh, wow, what is this Redo? Redo, it's moving up high. So $8 million. Market cap is 24, so 8 million is 1/4. Right now it's going above, oh my god, 100%. So this is going to go down. Already reach, but you guys will be able to day trade throughout the day, so look out for it. But I don't see 100% increase for the stock, so it could be somewhere around 130. And right now it's trading above 52 weeks highest, about 5 years, 286. Yeah, 5 minutes shows it's going down. Question is, WIMI, since it has 1,000 shares outstanding, is it a good stock to hold? Maybe it could go up again tomorrow. So let's see, let's wait until 9, and after that I'm gonna trade this in the evening after 3:30 p.m. Just wanna see if we can have the same momentum on Monday open for another 50 to 30 to 50 increase. WIMI. come. Million. Yeah, see, there's no other points at this price. Going up. Right now I'm marking the selling points or the selling indicators for the stocks that went up today. So ANIX, if we check 5 minutes, let's see. Yeah, so it's around here. Five-minute, 15-minute chart, it's up 6%. So far, so good. It's breaking up. I did make a couple of trades there, but not something big. Let's wait the next 2-3 minutes. So you can see if we are gonna like drop down fast. So that breakout at 9, I got in at 8:30 and sold at 8:60, having 30 cents there. So $300, and the previous 150. Right now I'm at 450. Let's see. If at 9 if it becomes red, I wouldn't have jumping, but it came at a green bar. $870 with 860 stop loss. Filled 80. Holding 9. I'm gonna sell it there. So another 30. Wow, it's going up. Sitting at 750. I guess still need $250 for the day. If the 5-minute turn red, then red plus the yellow candle then that's going to be the turning point for a sell indication. 15 minutes still seems okay, but 1 minute is going down, 5 minute chart forming a red candle. I'm up 750 with WIMI with 3 threads. I forgot to open those. Oh man. I was like, what? Why does this feel like naked? So 1 minute sell point is at 916. Momentum sell point is the previous momentum sell point. 5 minute sell point is at 893. If I see 2 green candles which are bigger than the previous red candles, then I would buy again for the 4th thread. Pre-market volume so far 10 million. Shares outstanding is also 10 million. I don't see the float for some reason. Basic EPS is positive, so that's good. $147 employees. Not bad. I'm checking this information so I know about the company character, and when the stock goes down in the evening, I want to get in and do some swing trades, or maybe hold it for Monday just to see if there's another pop-up. Yeah, so there is no other stocks that are moving great at the moment. Maybe after 9:30 we might be able to see some. So 5 minute chart or 1 minute chart I see two candlesticks that are green, but I want to see something big. Yeah, something like that. I'm gonna put an order at 880 with stop loss at 70, 870. So WIMI is the one that I'm watching right now. It has couple of news. Actually, the entire week they kept on putting PR press releases, as you guys can see, and they are talking about 5G and communication through holograms. So I think people are buying because of that. I don't see the value yet until 5G comes in and the technology is there, but let's see. The company is traded right now at the highest level they ever had, so there's no resistance in the top. So I am marking resistance as we go with today's data. So 756 is one of the supporting levels for today, and if the pre-market opens and if it touches any of these supporting levels, this should move up a little bit for you guys to like swing trade. Use 5-minute chart and 1-minute chart if you are going to swing trade and make some couple of cents, or if you are following the 3% strategy that I published a couple of weeks ago, so you can do that as well. So in that strategy, I'm actually talking about how compound interest work, how powerful it is. So if you're focusing on only making 3% a day, 3% a week, you could make 365% profit for the entire year. Some people actually do make that without trying to have a goal every week, but 99% of the time people lose money trying to chase stocks that are penny stocks or options or stuff like that. But when you calculate the entire year, the gain and losses, you most of the time you can't beat that 365% strategy that I put together. So please go ahead and watch that trailer that I have in my channel that I talk about the 3% strategy. So how you can make 3% a week? You have to be dedication. You have to have dedication and the goal. Even if you are a new stock trader, if you make like if you don't have $25,000 to invest and you are still is still learning the system, and let's say you only have like $1,000, that's fine. You can make 4,000 something. Just investing 1,000 at the beginning, and without investing any money at all, you can still make 4,000, or you can still turn your account into a $4,000 account after 1 year, if you follow the 3% strategy. After that, you can increase the amount that you are investing. Let's say you are investing 10,000, then at the end of the year your portfolio will look like 46,000. So the strategy is to make 3% every week. For non-day traders, people who have less than 25, you can actually do 3 trades a week. So if you try to divide the 3% every week, you can actually target for 1% profit stock and then make the money and then leave the day. Like that you can do the 3%. So 5 minutes and 15-minute charts doesn't look good for WIMI. Everything seems to go down. 5-minute chart, the Algo, OnePunch Algo gave the selling at 9.5 in between 8.72 and 9.10, 9.25. So that's, if you're a back holder and then wake up at 9, that's your cue to sell. Any other stocks you guys are thinking to buy or holding that might be going up right now? Oh, WAFU, what's going on there? Started to move at 9 o'clock, already up 56%. Ogen. Right, there are a couple of stocks that are coming up. WAFU stock float is around 1 million, and then the shares holding, outstanding shares is around 4 million. So there is something to that. Let's see if we have any news. No news in bar chart. Let's check Google. Last one hour news information. No news today, but still it's going up. Why? Can you guys find any information about WAFU? BHAT, Blue Hat, moving up 5 minutes, already up 8%. So again, when we talk about that 3% strategies, something like that, it seems to go up right now, so you can jump in if you want and make the 1%, and that's all. Leave. Do that 3 times every week, you get 3% a week. Blue Hat announces signing of securities purchases agreement yesterday 8 a.m. So let's see if it went up yesterday for that news. It went up a little bit. And then after hours yesterday, it went up 24%. $35 million shares outstanding, 11 million share float. BOXL up 5% right now. There has to be something with buff. No news. Wow. I can't jump in because I don't have any information about the stock. But still keep going up. 5 minutes. I could make like a small amount. Let's see. Let's see if I want to trade 1 minute here. I still need 250 to close my day with profit, but with my gold, $1,000 gold. My goal is to make 1,000 every day. So if I can do that for 20 days, it's 20,000, and for 1 year, it's 240,000. If I pay tax 50,000, let's say it's 50,000, it's gonna be 190,000. Yeah, 1 minute turning red. There's the sell signal at 9:25, so 9:26 is still showing red. $8.79. I could make I just don't wanna jump in without knowing any information and get a loss, so I will let you guys play with it. I can't jump in. So WIMI still has a chance for us. Let's wait for the opening bell. 3 more minutes to see what's going to happen. If it moves up, I'm gonna buy in and then get the 250 and I'm out. I was planning to close the stream at 9:25, but let's see, since this is going up, I will do like 5 more minutes. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you guys will get notifications when I'm live and when I have some training videos or OnePunch Algo plugin by sell signal videos. 5-minute charts, not looking good. Alright, so bell hit. Let's see. I would wait couple of bars in 1-minute chart. Alright, so 8.5. I'm gonna make an order. Alright, I didn't click here, so it went down, so holding. Now 770. This is a highly volatile stock. 770. Yep, order filled. 790. I'm gonna sell. Alright, so I made 20 more. With that, I passed my today's goal, $1,050. Alright, that's it, guys. You guys can keep on moving. If you don't have the OnePunch plugin, leave a comment in my YouTube channel, or you can go to OnePunchAlgo.com and then sign up for the account, which is free for 60 days. Sometimes I might feel like giving you guys a 1-year free account, so subscribe and have fun and have a nice weekend.